Yo, welcome back to the Super Family Gang. Holla at your boy, sit back with another video. So my boy Ethan Animatez put out a new video just 17 hours ago. And dude, I definitely gotta tune in because Technoblade versus Parrot and Spoke animation. I don't know about the last part, but I mean, I'm here to support for the Technoblade and also my boy Ethan. Ethan has been a tremendous supporter, especially on the YouTube community. Ethan also just joined my Discord, which is super dope, and I returned the favor. We're definitely just chilling, so if you guys definitely want to, you know, chat it with us both or anything, Discord, all that down below, but make sure you guys tune in. But this is the video we are tuning into right here. Let's get into the video. I'm pretty excited. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Also smash on the like button as well too, but make sure you guys show some love and show some of that support. But let's get into the video. But right after the intro roll, let's go. Before we begin, you guys already know what to do. Make sure you guys show my boy Ethan some love. Like the video like I'm doing here right now. Also, make sure you guys subscribe. Help him reach, what is it? We're almost at 1 million. Yeah, we're almost at 1 million. Hold on, wait a second. Yeah, we're almost at 1 million. Make sure you guys show some love and subscribe to my boy Ethan. Let's get into the video. Let's go.
Started off with my bad luck, watching you go.
Philza.
Told me you ran out of love.
Let's go, Philza.
Breaking slow, and you know it's not enough for me. When you say it's over, never was the gravity that pulled me closer. It's harder now, we shut it down so we can focus on ourselves. Hoping you'd come around, that we could fix what's burning out. But my words you spun, it's gone far enough. It's already done. Not making this easy for me. Stop believing I'm meant to be. You're making it hard to breathe. Is it too much to pick myself up from the lies you keep?
Yo, this must be like, bro, this must be extremely hard to make. Like, this is why I just can't fathom, like, you know, the work behind the scenes. Like, bro, you gotta give it up to the creators, because, bro, I don't even know the first step and how to do this. Like, the best you're gonna get from me from these animations, and I'm not even kidding, is a good doodle on a paper. I'm not even kidding. But this is phenomenal. Like, this is fantastic, guys. Am I tripping? Like, I don't know how to do this. This is Minecraft. Jesus, are you kidding? Yeah, that's hard. That's pretty clean. Of course you
holding on to what we had dragged me down deeper. Now I can't go back.
Okay,
You let me drown, fighting just to catch my breath. When I know it's over, is it really how this ends? Lost all composure. But Father, now I'm breaking down, losing myself along this road. Find a way to make it out, pick up the pieces of my soul. But I'm too far gone, nowhere to run. I'm already done.
Come out wherever you are. Oh, Technoblade's mad.
Not making this easy for me. Stop believing I'm meant to be.
Who is this?
You're making it hard to breathe.
And he a nigga. And he a nigga. This is facts. Technoblade. You gotta pull up all your strings, bro. You know what I'm saying? Don't let him get to you. And he a red belt. Look at him.
You're making it hard to breathe. Is it too much to pick myself up from the lies you keep?
No way. Oh my god. Whoa! That was clean. Oh, Technoblade. Oh my god. Technoblade never dies. Oh Lord. Bam! Right in there. Thought he had him. Dang, that's clean, no cap. Shout out to my boy Technoblade too. Also my boy Ethan. This was so dope. And who was the guy at the end? Why is it to be continued? Why are you doing this to us? Ethan! That's my boy! Oh, Falling North. Okay, music vibe. Okay, so this is cold. Make sure you guys show some love. All of that. Comment who should fight next. Who do you guys think should fight next? Let me know. Leave that comment. Leave those comments down below too. I want to know who do you guys think should fight next. Personally, I think Philza. I mean, I said Philza. What? I said Philza and Wilbert together. I think Wilbert and I would want to see. I would want to see Wilbert and Rambo, but Rambo doesn't really fight. So I would want to see Wilbert and Philza. Yeah, I want to see those two. Let me know what you guys think down below. Make sure you guys like the video for my boy Ethan. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to him. Get him to a milli, please. This was amazing. Again, I wouldn't know the first step into making one of these videos, so I got to give support and credit where it's due. All respect to Ethan and all the producing, whoever tapped into this video, whoever touched this video. Shout out to you as well too. This is amazing, like literally amazing. And I'm not just saying that just because, you know, I'm cool, old boy. I'm actually saying that because I am a reaction channel. I do got to give my honest opinion. I may hurt some feelings. It is what it is. But this is what I'm here for. I got to be honest and keep it a buck. And it was extraordinary. I got to keep it real. I got to keep it real. But let me know what you guys think. Leave your comments down below. Make sure you love to your boy. I say, hey, subscribe to the channel. Also, smash the like button as well too. Much love. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace.